Hello, this is the Tachibana Tech channel. Here we have on day one the PlayStation Portal remote player, which kind of feels like the Steam Deck but for PlayStation only. So I was really excited about this because it was only $200, which is pretty nice considering what it says it can do, which we can do a review of later if you guys so desire. All right, so right off the bat, it is very PlayStation themed. Nice plain box letting you know that it is indeed a PlayStation thing with the official PlayStation seal here. This tells you that there is, I guess that's the model number, a USB cable and printed materials, which is usually just the warranty and stuff. In case you didn't know, you need a PS5 for this. And I saw it say Marvel. I don't know why it says Marvel. Oh, because there's Spider-Man right there. That makes sense. All right. So cool. I see two official seals here. So let's go ahead and get this open. So as I open the box, it does some sort of rip here. Yeah, I don't want to cover that. Forget it. All right. Slide it out. Maybe. All right, there we go. All right, here we go. All right, so I did open it right side up, and the box was upside down, which was a little strange. Let's go ahead and flip it around. All right, so remote player. Okay, so I expect there to be not much else on this. It shows here the PlayStation symbols, like on the controller. All right, that slides out. All right, let's go ahead and pull this cardboard piece up, which is just a cover here. Oh, it's not just a cover. It has probably that USB cable that I was mentioning on the outside. That is, in fact, a USB cable. Thankfully, it is USB-C and sweet, USB-C. I mean, we can always hope, but sometimes it surprises me and someone will throw in a micro USB cable in there. All right, here's the big unveiling. It's pretty light already. It'll come out. There we go. So it actually isn't too bad to hold. It feels pretty natural just in your hands. It's got the PlayStation logo here, which is just like the regular controller. It just shows you here. This is how you turn it on. Cool, all right. And then this would be the power, I assume, and then a sync button maybe? All right, it definitely looks just like the controller. Oh, there's a dip here. That's that's a good design decision right there. And that's also where you charge it. It looks like there might even be a auxiliary port to plug a headphone in right there. But this little dip is nice because you can wrap your fingers underneath it like this while you're holding it. All right, so anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. All right, wow, that screen is very nice. For $200, that really is not that bad. Okay, I don't know why that's a turn on, but we're gonna go ahead and move on. All right, next, I'm assuming this is the manuals. This is actually one of the smallest ones I've seen in a while, so that's nice. Telling you how to charge the... Oh, plug it directly into your PS5. That makes the most sense. To charge it like you would a controller, all right? That seems to be everything that's in the box. Let's try and turn this on one more time. All right, so it wasn't turning on because I saw the power button on the sticker, but the instructions were telling me to press and hold the PlayStation button until it turned on. So let's go ahead and press the actual power button here. Still not turning on. All right, there we go. All right, so it is starting to light up here on the sides like a normal PlayStation controller. And then here we have it. Those speakers are actually pretty good considering their low profile. Well, they're not down here. Looks like looks like the speakers are only right here. That's pretty decent considering, once again, the $200 price point. So it does feel a little heavy now that I've been holding it for a couple minutes now, but I'm sure if I were sitting down holding this, it would not be that big of a deal. So unsurprisingly, of the devices that come out today, it needed an update immediately after I connected to the network. I believe that is the end of our PlayStation Portal unboxing. If there's anything else you would like us to unbox, let us know down in the comments, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.